Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are at the lesson number 20. Alhamdulillah. We arrived at another rule, and the rule for today is about Tanween. What is Tanween? Tanween is when at the top of the letter we have two fathas. Two fatha, two kasra, or two dhamma. So, as you remember, the fatha has a sound with light letters and a sound with strong letters. When we have two fatha, the sound is going to be, for example, at the word dal, at the letter dal. At the letter dal, we have the first one is going to be dal, and the second one is noon with sukun. And when we read it, it's going to be then. Then, do you hear? The noon with sukun at the end. Now we have the words here. Now the first word is thamanan. You see, we have alif, but most of the time the alif was prolongation letter with fatha. But when we have fathatain, it is not going to be prolongation letter. Why? Because, as I said, in Arabic language, it's not allowed to read two letters with sukun at the same time. So, thamanan, if we write how we read it, it's going to be like this. Thamanan. Thamanan. If you see here, we have noon with sukun and alif with sukun. So we cannot read both of them. So we are going to skip the alif and we are going to read it thamanan. Same thing, amalan, basharan, raghadan, hasanan, subulan, kufuwan, علما نزلا كتبا جدا, because at the letter da we have shadda as well. جدا شرا حقا عربيا علوا أفواجا أشتاتا أوتادا توابا وهابا رجوما كبيرا سميعا بصيرا هدى جزاء. The last letter is the letter Hamza, and the letter Hamza has a sound. نداء دعاء صبرا عظيما محسنا مكرما عربا رسلا. And the last word is صرصرا. So these are all the words, and here we have two ayahs. The ayahs are بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. If you see, because I'm ending, this is the end of the ayah. Lam is the last letter of the ayah. So, as I said, when we stop at the end of the ayah, we're going to stop with sukun when we have one fatha. So, I'm going to read it. وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ. And the second ayah, وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَفُوًّا we have two fatha, when we have tanween, which means fathatain, we are going to skip one of the fatha. Immediately when we skip one of the fatha, because we are at the end of the ayah, we skip it for this reason. When we end the ayah, we are going to end with one fatha. Immediately when we skip one fatha, we are going to prolong the ra. Again, وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَفُوًّا غَفُورًا. So this is the lesson for today. Please read it as much as you can, so you can read the words fluently. And please don't stop to hear the lesson just once, because it's not enough. It's a short lesson, so if you read it several times, if you hear it several times, it means that you are going to be better in it. Assalamu alaikum.